A very good morning, my dear kids. This is a science class, and we are in our lesson Matter Around Us. So, for today, we are going to discuss on the topic diffusion, compressibility of gas compared to liquid and solids, and finally, we are going to differentiate solids, liquids, and gases. To begin, think about it.
Let us place a book on a table. Let it not be disturbed. Observe for 5 minutes. Now take a glass of water and add a drop of ink carefully at the center. Do not shake or stir. Now light an incense stick and keep it in one corner of the room. Let us answer the following questions. Did the book move? Did the ink particles move and spread itself in the water? How long did it take for complete mixing? Did you get the smell of the incense stick from where you were standing? How fast did you get the smell? How did the smell reach you? We may conclude that the particles of gases and liquids can move easily and quickly. This tendency of particles to spread out in order to occupy the available space is diffusion. Solids are tightly packed and they do not diffuse like liquids or gases. Hence, ink and smoke spread easily while book stays tight on the table. Particles in solid. In solid, the particles are tightly packed with very little space between them. Example, stone. Particles in a liquid. Particles in liquids are arranged in a random or irregular way, and the space between the particles is greater than that in solids. Example, water. Particles in a gas. The particles in the gases are arranged far apart. They move freely. Example, air. Compressibility of gases compared to liquids and solids. Let us take 3 identical syringes. Loose the nozzles tightly with a cork. After removing the plunger first, let us fill it with fine chalk powder. Try to press plunger down. What do you observe? Now, let us fill the second one with water. Press the plunger down. What do you observe? Let us now draw the piston back to suck air into the third one. Press the plunger down. What do we observe? Is it easy or hard to press? Record your observations and share among the group members. You would have observed that the plunger moved freely in syringe with air than in water. It is difficult to press and the piston hardly moved. In chalk powder, we conclude gases are highly compressible as compared to liquids and solids. Solids are not compressible. Liquids are hardly compressible. Gases are compressible. Let us summarize solids, liquids, and gases. Solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids have no definite shape. Liquids attain the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Solids are incompressible. Liquids are compressible to a small extent. Gases are highly compressible. Solids is little space. Solid particles attract each other very strongly. The force of attraction between liquid particles is less than solid particles. The force of attraction is least between gaseous particles. Particles of solid cannot move freely. Particles of liquid move freely. Gaseous particles are in a continuous random motion.
So, That's it for today's class. Y'all have an activity. So y'all need to draw solid, liquid and gas. So find out the things around you which are solids. Try to draw it in the box and name it. So liquid same way and gases also. Thank you.